has lost her color. Uh-oh.
Hey, watch me next. Ruff, ruff.
Whee!
Ruff, ruff. And me.
No, Rubble, wait!
Ruff, ruff. Whee! Ruff, ruff.
Oh no! What are we gonna do, Ryder? I don't know, Chase, but I know someone who might. Fizzy, Phoebe, we need your help!
Uh-oh! What happened?
The pups jumped in the pool and lost all their colors.
Don't worry, we can help. Yeah! Wait, who? With a little helping hand, of course. Oh, I know! Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Oh no, we gotta help the pups, but how?
I know! We could use some paint to bring their colors back! But Fizzy, it would have to be magic paint to do that, and we don't have any yet. Time for some Fizzy magic! Fizzy, Wizzy, Fizzy Pops!
Whoa, that's awesome, but what now?
Now it's time to paint! Awesome sauce! Alright, let's do this pup first! That's Skye! Skye wears pink, like candy floss!
That's right, Phoebe. So let's take this super cute pink color and paint Skye. Perfect! Alright, now we need to do her fur. But what color is she?
Oh, she's light brown!
That's right, Phoebe. Alright, time to color in Skye's fur.
Looking good, Miss Hands!
Thanks, Fizzy. Alright, now for the final touches.
Alright!
Ta-da! Skye is all colored in. Whoa, what happened? You jumped in the pool and lost all your color, but luckily Fizzy and Phoebe are here to help.
Oh, thank you, Fizzy and Phoebe. I feel much more like me now.
Oh no! Poor Rocky! Quick, someone help him!
It's okay, Skye. We can help Rocky next.
Good idea, Phoebe. Alright, so Rocky is...
Gray! Oh, like,
the sidewalk! Sure. So let's add this super cute sidewalk gray to Rocky. Perfect. Alright, now we need to add some green for his hat and his outfit.
green like the grass, Phoebe! Ooh, I love green! It's such a pretty color!
Perfect! This is looking so good! Alright, now for the final touches. There we go! One colorful Rocky. Whoa! I felt empty without my colors. Oh, I'm so glad they're back. Thanks, everyone!
That's alright, Rocky! We win! We've still got one more pup to save! Oh, yeah! Oops! Who is it?
Whoa! Rubble on the double's in trouble! Looks like we've got a rescue mission to complete. Ready, team?
Ready!
All right! Paw Patrol is on a roll. Okay, so what color is Rubble?
Ooh, Rubble is yellow, like the sun.
That's right! Well done, Phoebe! And what color fur does Rubble have? What do you think? Yes, that's right! He has brown fur! So let's paint his brown fur first. Perfect! And now for his yellow outfit.
And now for the finishing touches.
Good job, Fizzy! Alright, here goes!
I can't wait to have Rubble back.
Ruff, ruff! Ta-da! One beautifully colorful Rubble. Ruff, ruff! Oh, thanks, everyone. I feel so much better now I've got my color back.
That was so much fun.
Ruff, ruff! Yeah, I'm so glad you're magic, Fizzy. Yeah, me too. Thanks again for saving us.
Whoa, careful, Pups. You want to make sure your paint is dry before we get back to playing.
Oh, okay. I guess we'll just sit here and wait.
Wait, I've got an idea. Time for one more bit of Fizzy magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bobbity Pop.
Yay! Thanks, Fizzy. You're the best.
Come on, let's go play. Ruff, ruff, Rubble on the double.
Ooh, be careful in the pool. We don't want you to lose your colors again. Good idea, Phoebe. Hey, how about I race you to the slide? Ooh, you're on. All right, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, wait. What? We need to say goodbye to all our friends at home first. Oh, yeah. Silly me. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. All right. Are you ready? Are you steady? Go! Hey, wait up, Phoebe.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.